Good morning, everyone. This is Srikanth Rajan, and welcome back to the Stock Market Podcast from MPIinvest.com. Well, an amazing day yesterday again. So, the election results did not actually make a negative, like we discussed in the morning market report and the market pulse. And of course, the good thing was the market was a continuous rise thanks to the FIAs who continue to buy. Yes, yesterday also the FIAs, not only FIAs, DIAs also bought. So yesterday FIs have continued to buy for more than 1,000 crores. Yesterday also have buy of almost 1,600 crores, and DIAs have bought for almost 160 crores. So that means the entire institutionals are bullish on the market. But then we could see the market actually rising and crossing 18,400, and from there 18,450. It touched a high of 18,458, but from there was a profit booking that came in. And in fact, we could see the market actually falling from there and closing just below 17,400. So now, of course, 17,400 to 450 is the range which is going to act as a resistance. So that needs to be watched. But apart from that, if you see, the profit booking probably has come in from the retailers because everybody has a feeling, right, that the market has been on a continuous rise. When is it going to see a fall? So probably it is just that profit booking that is kicking in because the markets are close to, running close to higher levels. So that is something which is happening right now in the market. But I would say again, we really don't have to worry at this point of time. It is just the FII buying that's coming in, and until they stop or they stop buying or they start selling, the markets are going to be stable for now. So that is one major thing to be looked at. So otherwise, India's things are looking good, and also like I started the title of this podcast. The windfall tax has been cut to nil yesterday. So, and when was it last time that we heard this, that totally it was cut off? So that is actually a good thing for companies like Reliance, and Reliance also has been kind of stable at this point of time. And if Reliance starts off thinking to move, it would be really good. If you look at some stocks yesterday, I think some beautiful movement in our stocks and portfolio. Zensatech was up by 13% yesterday, 13% yesterday. That was amazing. In fact, you know how much it went down and we kept holding on to it, and today it is this level. It's amazing. In fact, finally, today I am thinking of doing some partial profit booking in Zensatech. So apart from that, Tata Motors, which is yet another favorite stock of ours, is also doing amazingly well. Yesterday also up close to 3%. And overall, it has been a great day, and especially the portfolio is looking amazing as of now. So with this, I'm sure, I'm sure all of us who are holding a great portfolio should be doing really well at MPA Family. If you're not a part of MPA Family, immediately visit our website www.mpiinvest.com and book your appointment, a free appointment with our team to ensure that you can grow financially with us. Well, coming to the market in the US, after Indian markets closed, the US markets also were kind of positive. In fact, though there has not been a rally as such, it has been just closing in slightly in green. So the reason is simple, that the debt ceiling is still, discussion is still not done. It has been postponed to this week, and hopefully it's going to happen today. So probably till then, the US markets are going to be subdued. So there's no much news from there and nothing specific to be talking about in the US. But of course, when the US markets are closing in the green, it kind of gives us support. Now, as of now, one important thing to see is that Nifty is close to its important resistance zone of, saying 18,400 to 450. Hi, Siddhi Vinay. I do see your message. Of course, you can post your questions and comment. I would be answering them in the tomorrow's podcast, if not today. So let's see how market goes. So like I told you, 18,400 to 18,450 is a good resistance zone. So will this be crossed is the important question to watch. So yesterday the profit booking kicked in, but today what happens is important to be watching. And today is also the Fin Nifty expiry. So markets are going to be volatile, and along with volatility, Bank Nifty is very close to its highs, all-time highs. So if at all that breaks out, that could be an amazing breakout on the higher side. So we would be watching both these sides, that is Bank Nifty's all-time high. Would be watched. If that breaks out, probably we could see some short covering coming in, and that could also lead to banks. But then today also is the ex-dividend day for HDFC. So naturally there would be a gap down opening, and then in the Bank Nifty, and from there probably we could expect some recovery. So that is something that we could be watching right now. Right. So Siddhivinayak, we don't have a Telegram channel, so we have a community. So what we do, of course, we also have a WhatsApp group where we share the updates. So you can be part of the WhatsApp group by clicking on the link in the description. Okay, and to be a part of a community, you just have to fix an appointment with our team by going to our website mpiinvest.com. I hope that's clear to Siddhivinayak. Right, so that's it for today. So looking forward to some consolidation in the market with volatility today. With that, we might see the markets in a good level. So I'm just expecting that the market stays at this level. If at all it falls down, 18,200 would be the lower level to be watched, because if 18,200 is broken, it could lead to some more shorts in the market, which would take the major support to 18,000 levels. So that's something to be expected for now. Apart from that, of course, focus would be on HDFC because of the dividend date that's happening today. Right? So wishing you all a great Nifty expiry, and of course, let us catch up with more details on the market tomorrow.